You found a product. The potential profit looks good and the listing looks clean. So you open Keepa, and then the revenue calculator, and then Seller Central, and then Google, and then Reddit, and then another calculator, and 12 tabs, and 30 minutes later, you're still not sure. So you buy it anyway and hope for the best. Or you skip it and wonder if you just walked past a winner. Well, that's not sourcing, that's gambling with extra steps. Well, here's what 7 years and millions in sales has taught us. More data doesn't mean better decisions. It often means more doubt, more confusion, and fewer products evaluated. The sellers spending 30 minutes per ASIN, they aren't more accurate than the ones spending 60 seconds with the right framework. They're just slower. We've built a dead simple framework that makes smart buying decisions instinctual. 3 questions, yes or no, 60 seconds. Does it sell? Is my money safe? Can I actually make money? That's it. That's the entire eval. And here's the part that nobody tells you. You only need to be right about half the time. Not 80%, not 90, around 50. Because when you're evaluating more products faster, you find more winners, period. Should I Buy This is 6 focused videos. The framework takes minutes to learn. The rest is watching it applied to real products until you stop thinking about the steps and you just see the answer on the chart. No filler, no 47 module course that you're never going to finish. A lifetime of knowing, 1 session. So stop overthinking, start deciding. The link's below. I'll see you on the inside.